time. Let's crochet this Valentine bear holding a love letter. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 2.5mm hook. For the borders, I'm using 2mm hook. Let's start. For the head, make a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 is not considered as one stitch. Make 12 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Skip the chains. This is my first double crochet, and slip a stitch on top of this first double crochet. Round 2, chain 1, make a single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1. I made a standing single crochet and I consider this as one double crochet. Make one double crochet into the same stitch. In fact, I have 2 double crochet now. 2 double crochet in each stitch. And repeat this pattern by the end of the round. 2 double crochet in each stitch, and at the end you will have 24 double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 2 double crochet into each stitch, similar to round 2. Repeat the pattern by the end of the round. 2 double crochet into each stitch, and at the end you will have 48 double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Round 4, chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same space. 1 single crochet into each stitch by the end of the round, and at the end you will have the same number of stitches, 48 single crochet. At the end, slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet and cut the yarn. For the ear, make a magic ring. Chain 2. 5 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Close the ring and cut the yarn. For round 2, join the yarn on top of the first half double crochet. Here. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochet into this space. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet into each stitch. Make 3 double crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Now cut the yarn and leave this tail a bit longer for sewing, and hide these 3 yarns into the work. For the hands, make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first chain. Turn the chains. There are some bumps at the back side, and I'm using these back bumps for crochet. Skip the first chain into the second chain, back bump, make single crochet. Into the next one, back bump, single crochet. Next one, half double crochet. Next chain, back bump, double crochet. Into the last chain, make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. Continue in the back sides. There are some stitches. Into the first stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into the next half double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, and the last one, single crochet. Make one more hand this way. For the muzzle, make a magic ring, chain 2, make 8 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Close the ring. Slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Row 2, chain 2, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. 2 half double crochet into each stitch by the end of the round. And at the end, slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet and cut the yarn. For the leather, make a slip knot. Chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first chain into the second chain, the back bump. If you turn the chains, there are some bumps behind. I'm creating my stitches in these bumps. Skip the first one into the second chain, back bump, make a single crochet. 1 single crochet into each chain, back bump. I have 24 single crochet, chain 1 and 10. For round 2, make 1 single crochet into each stitch. And at the end you will have the same numbers of stitches, 24 single crochet. Just repeat this pattern. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch. At the end of the round, chain 1, turn. Round 3, make 1 single crochet into each stitch and repeat this pattern until you reach the desired length. I've made 14 rows. For the borders, I'm using this golden yarn and a smaller hook size 2mm hook. Before starting, leave a longer tail for sewing purposes and start. Join the yarn at a corner, for example here. Chain 3 and make 1 single crochet into the next space. Look at here, there are no specific stitches here. So I'm making 1 single crochet in each row. For example, this is my last row, making 1 single crochet here. The row before, creating a stitch here. I create 1 single crochet for each row. 1 here, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I had 14 rows and I will have 14 single crochet at this side. Single crochet into the next space or row. And single crochet into each row until I reach the corner. I have my 14 single crochet at this corner, chain 1 and make 1 more single crochet into the same space. Now for this side, make 1 single crochet into each stitch. This is my first row. And then make 1 single crochet in each row for this side. For the corners, after creating your last stitch, chain 1 and make another single crochet into the same stitch. At the end, slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet and cut the yarn and leave a bigger tail. I created my Valentine bear. Hope you liked this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!